You signed this, yes?
I did, yes.
It says, we have a good faith belief that the Attorney General is violating federal and or state law. Yes?
Correct.
You had a good faith belief on October 1st, 2020. Yes?
Yes.
Did you bring any documentary evidence or physical evidence to the FBI?
No.
No documents, no physical evidence.
And just to be clear, your testimony on direct was one of the reasons you thought Nate Paul had no credibility was he didn't give you any documentary evidence. True?
Based on his theory, there was nothing to back up his theory. Correct.
Yeah. We knew that question was coming. I forecasted that question like 2 hours ago.
Paxton.
So I was like, 2 hours ago, I'm like, yep, this is going to be a question on cross, and here we are.
I disagree with you.
Oh, so you would have sat on it?
No.
If you had any documentary evidence of a crime by Ken Paxton, you would have brought it to the FBI. Yes?
No.
No, you wouldn't have?
No, this was an initial report by eyewitnesses.
Oh, I don't find that credible
And it
at
happened
all.
in a hurry.
I don't find that credible.
How much of a hurry did it happen in? From your office email, you forwarded grand jury subpoenas that were supposed to be secret to your counsel, Johnny Sutton, correct?
That's partially correct, yes.
And to be clear, you've never paid Johnny Sutton a dime, have you?
Not yet.
You have some type of pro bono deal with him?
No.
Who's paying for him?
We haven't agreed on a fee arrangement yet. We've agreed to discuss that in the future.
You haven't agreed on a fee arrangement?
Let's let that sink in for a second. This man who's a former assistant U.S. attorney, he's with the Ashcroft law firm, I believe. It's in multiple states. He's represented you for 3 years and you haven't agreed on a fee arrangement yet? I want to make sure I understand.
That's right.
Haven't paid him anything?
Haven't paid him anything.
He's never sent you a bill?
No, sir.
What?
Sounds like a great guy.
He is. And he's a former United States attorney, not an AUSA.
Oh, he was the U.S. attorney, supposed to an assistant U.S. attorney. Fine. Wow. Okay.
At some point in time, you get placed on investigative leave, true?
Dude, what?
On October the 2nd, correct, by the Attorney General.
We don't have a fee agreement. We're gonna talk about the fee agreement at some later point.
Investigation at the OAG. Yes?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the full question. Could you repeat?
What? Rule 1.04, fees, subpart C. When the lawyer has not regularly represented the client, the basis or rate of the fee shall be communicated to the client, preferably in writing, before or within a reasonable time after commencing the representation. 3 years later, no fee arrangement. Okie dokie.
Down because, well, why don't you tell these people what he actually said?